The sun goes down, the stars come out. Let me know where the times go. My universe will never be the same.
Pop Danthology.
Hell yeah, dirty bass.
Let's go, turn up the music 'cause the song just came on. Here and now, I'm talking here and now. Let's go, turn up the music if they try to turn us down. I'm talking here and now, I'm talking here and now. It's not about what you've done, it's about what you do. Cross my heart and hold you tight. It's all about where you going, no matter where you be. Better always stay with you one more night. Let's go.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. I think I've finally had enough. I think I maybe think too much. I think this might be for us. Let's go. Hey, I heard you are a wild one, 'cause that's just how we let's go. Steady dancing in the moonlight, take me down like I'm a domino. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dawn, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. You chewed me up and spit me out like I was poison in your mouth. You took my life, you drained me down, but that was then, and this is now.
Girl, let me love you.
Wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared it's wrong, you might make a mistake. This is the part of me that you never ever take away from me.
Girl, let me love you.
There's no more to live, there's no time to waste, so let me give your heart a break. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me.
So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home.
If I was your girlfriend, I'd never let you go. I could take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance, so you'll never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really like to blow. Swipe, swipe, swipe on you. Sitting by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to falsetto in 3, 2, swipe.